Slowly, the table will fall. Make sure you cannot... Milk, how about milk?
I put already.
Okay, then try first. I sniff the pepper.
Okay.
Okay na, try yan. Okay na?
More salt.
You spread it. And mikos-mikos. One last and then finish. I think you add a bit of milk.
I put already.
Okay na. Done na,
Okay.
enough na. Let's eat. Finally, ito na ang kanyang ginawa na potato or mashed potato. Seasoned with salt, pepper, at saka lagyan nila ng milk habang ito ay minamash. Proud na proud siya. Tawag yung nanay niya. Kasi nagluto siya ng potato.
That is in floor. That is floor. So it's eating time.
Leave some for mommy.